Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing tools that can help you unleash your creativity and productivity. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your tech toolkit, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. Using ChatGPT is super easy. First, go to Google and type ChatGPT. Then click on Login, go to ChatGPT login page, and click on Sign Up. You can also sign up by email address and continue with Google. We click on Continue with Google button to log in to ChatGPT. Once you're in, you can start a conversation by typing your question or prompt in the chat box. For example, you can ask it to help you write a story for a baby girl, including horror stories and many others. You can also get coding help from it. Besides this, you will get all kinds of help from it, or even ask for advice on various topics. The possibilities are endless. Next, let's talk about 11 Labs, a fantastic tool for converting text to speech. If you need high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers for your projects, visit their website at 11labs.io. You can sign up for an account and click on Sign Up. You can also sign up by email address and continue with Google. We click on Continue with Google button. Write your name and include some basic information. Now, the 11 Labs homepage will be displayed in front of you. And once you're logged in, you simply input your text into the provided text box. Choose from a variety of voices, select the voice of your choice, and click on Generate. You can listen to the voiceover result.
If you have a specific script or text you want the voiceover for, please provide it. If not, I can create a sample script for you based on the context you give.
This voice is real and realistic. You can easily download this voice. It's perfect for creating voiceovers for videos, presentations, or any project that needs a professional touch. After discussing text-to-speech, let's now talk about text-to-image. For text-to-image, there is a very famous and best tool called Leonardo.ai. Finally, let's explore Leonardo, an amazing tool that turns your text into stunning images. This can be especially useful for creating unique graphics, illustrations, or visual content for your projects. Using Leonardo is simple. Go to your browser and type Leonardo AI. Click on the first website, and now we are on Leonardo's main page. Click on Get Started. Now, let's sign up. You can sign up using your email or continue with Google. I am clicking on Continue with Google. Once you log in, you need to set your username and select your interests based on the type of image you want to create. After that, click on Next. I am choosing Professional and clicking Next. Now you can see the main page where the community has created images. You can check the quality of the images. At the top right side, you will see the Create Images button. Click on it, and an input box will appear. On the left side, you will see settings where you can select the type of image you want. You can choose the image style, set the contrast, adjust the image dimensions, and also set the number of images you want to create from a single prompt. You can start by entering your descriptive text into the input box. Leonardo uses advanced algorithms to generate images based on your description. Write a prompt to create a cute baby boy with a cat. You can tweak the details to get the perfect image. The results are in front of you. It's a great way to bring your ideas to life visually without needing advanced graphic design skills. You can easily download these images. You can generate high-quality images by writing different prompts like this. Leonardo AI is a powerful image editing tool that harnesses AI to assist users in enhancing their creative projects swiftly and efficiently. 3 incredible tools to boost your creativity and productivity. ChatGPT for generating text and having conversations, 11 Labs for high-quality text-to-speech, and Leonardo for creating stunning images from text. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.